Carlos Goshn, the CEO of Nissan, is not known for spending money without a reason, but recent rumors and a report from Edmunds Inside Line indicates that Godzilla, as it's called, may be reaching its end. I'm Michelle Rahal with the Drive Channel and thedrivechannel.com, brought to you by White Cloud e-cigarettes. White Cloud cigarettes are the class of the field, the Ferrari of e-cigarettes. In fact, you can smoke them in a Ferrari because there's no smell and no harmful secondhand smoke. White Cloud cigarettes, they're the best money can buy. Last week, a story hit the news that the Nissan GTR may have hit its last run. I think that piece was underreported. Why is that important? Mainly because this is a significant car in the world of supercars, and it definitely qualifies as a supercar. Inside Line reported that the famous Nissan GTR may not be continued. The original GTR was said to have gotten the green light only after meeting a certain criteria. Goshn had to be assured that it would make money for the company even at low volumes. Well, to date, they've sold just under 6,000 units in 4 years. At under $100,000 in the technology this car has, that probably isn't enough to turn a profit. What started as a no-holes-barred supercar that cost under $100,000 ended up as a no-holes-barred supercar that was still under $100,000 even 4 years later. The GTR proved to be the match or better than its competition that cost sometimes 3 times as much. It didn't knock anybody out in the looks department, but no matter, it got the job done in one hell of a hurry and the looks were acceptable. It's a great car. The hope is that Goshn will sign off on the next generation of GTR, but he hasn't. And in the world of automobile development and sales, that's not good. There's no replacement on the table for a 2014 model. Now, the other side of this report is that he may sign off on an Infiniti-branded GTR that would more likely bring the GTR closer to the concepts we've seen in the past, such as the Infiniti Essence. That car made the car show rounds last year and before, but still, nobody knows what Carlos is going to do. He's put the R&D money on hybrids, so don't be surprised if the Infiniti version of the GTR, if it happens, will be a hybrid. If Nissan eliminated the GTR, then those who have one should keep it. With a limited run, it is going to be a collectible. For White Cloud Cigarettes, I'm Michelle Rahal with the Drive Channel. I'll see you next time.